Hi viewers. Welcome to Draw and Design. On repeated requests from audience, today we are going to start our project. We will start this project on a random empty plot, then step by step complete the detailing, planning, drawing and presentation of the building. But first you should be fully aware of planning. It is the process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal. It is the first and foremost activity to achieve results. Building planning is the arrangement of various component or unit of a building in a systematic manner, so as to form a meaningful and homogeneous structure, to meet its functional purpose. Detailing of site is very first stage of planning. We collect and absorb the information about plots, such as measurements of all sides, surrounding environments like roads or other plots, natural orientation of plot or the direction of north. Later on we will filter these information and convert them into the location plan drawing. Second most important stage for planning is building bylaws. Building bylaws are the construction norms set by the government authorities, to ensure uniform development and protect buildings against internal and external hazards. In order to provide services, greenery, etc., some spaces are to be left on ground. Similarly, height or elevation of buildings are regulated for public safety or security reasons, or urban design characteristics. Maximum habitable spaces, conveniences are needed. All these are, in short, comprise building bylaws. Major bylaws for residential building will be discussed in future videos. Third and most important stage of planning are the principles which we follow to ensure the safety, security and comfort of habitants. We will discuss these principles one by one in our future videos. In order to start planning of building, we have to go through all three stages: gather the information by detailing site, set up the building area by checking bylaws, orientate and arrange the components with the help of principles. In short, our building plan is the product of these stages. After completing our planning stage, we will prepare detailed drawings in order to give our planning a shape to understand. Drawings will give us better understanding about steps of construction. 3D model shows us all the details about materials, coloring, rendered materials, and clear picture of building. 3D model will be made by collecting the information from drawings, principles of planning and bylaws.